So today I wanted to show off a few of the new features that you'll notice when you log into Google Classroom this year. So one is that the pages are a little bit different. So you have the stream page, the same one from last year. You also have a classwork page. You have a people page. And you have a different consolidated settings page. So when you click on the gear, you'll see that you can edit the name of the class, a description of the class. You can put a place, a time, whatever you want there. And then all of your other information is underneath, where you have the class code that you can display nice and big for your students. You can also copy it into an email. You can reset it or disable it altogether. You have your stream. This is where you can change the setting for how much control students kind of have on whether they're allowed to post or comment, or only the teacher is allowed to post and comment. You can turn on or off show deleted items. So this will show you if anything was deleted either by you or by the students. It will appear here when you turn that switch on only to you. And then finally, you can turn on Guardian Summaries or to turn that off. As you recall from last year, the Guardian Summaries are the emails that go home to parents either weekly or daily. It's at their discretion and gives the parents a rundown of what kind of things were assigned, what things are due, what things are missing, that kind of stuff. So that's all done from the consolidated class settings page. The stream page works a little bit differently than it did last year. So you'll notice down on the bottom right, when I click on the plus sign or hover my mouse over it, the only thing I can do is create an announcement, or I can reuse a post. So announcements are similar to as they were last year, where you can send that out to the entire class or to individual students. The reuse post is the same as it was last year, where you can pull it from another class. Now, most of the class work things, the assignments and stuff you kind of got used to last year putting in the stream, is now listed under the classwork page. So when we go there, you're going to notice it looks very different. So here I have the option to create either an assignment, a question, I can reuse a post, or I can create a topic. And a topic works a little differently than it did last year as well, is it creates these little sections here. So you can see there's a purple heading on the top here, and then everything that I put underneath that topic shows up in this list here. So really simple to create a topic and just say demo, and then you'll see that topic down by the bottom, and I can add assignments to that. Just putting one together very quickly, and when I give it a topic, it will fall into that section there. Now you can rearrange these as much as you want, so this demo topic can be moved up or down to wherever I want it. I can also rearrange the order of the assignments underneath, so it doesn't have to be chronological. I can move them up or down depending on where I want them to show up on the list. So those are a couple of things that are a little bit different. You'll notice the About page is gone. So what some teachers have done and what they recommend doing is creating an About section or an About topic on my classwork page, and then just putting anything in there just as an ungraded, as a non-due assignment. So that's how you can create your own kind of About page with this new classwork tab. As far as people is concerned, this is a consolidated people screen, so they made it a little bit easier to manage both your teachers and your students. So here's how you would invite co-teachers or anyone that you want to have full access to your classroom. And then under students, this is how you would invite individual students if you needed to. Or kind of same as we did last year, is you can hit the gear and display the class code right up on the board. You can make that even larger just by doing that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a few new grading tools that they've created for you and some commenting tools that I think you will really like. So stay tuned.